好啦，咁我而家講下點樣用嗰個 template 去計 materiality 先啦。咁我哋就攞一個 sample 啦。假設我哋而家呢間公司係有200萬 sales 嘅，咁樣就有500條 sales transaction 咁樣啦。同埋亦都同時一個 balance 度有50萬嘅 accounts receivable。咁個 accounts receivable balance 入邊咧係有30個 customer 喺入邊咁嘅。咁我哋去呢個 template 啦。嗱，我 send 俾你呢個 C7.1 咧，就係用嚟計個 materiality 嘅。咁其實咧，佢呢度咁睇落去可能係好似好複雜咁，但係其實咧，佢係同你講翻咧，就你 materiality 係可以有3種方法去計嘅，即係可以 base on 3樣嘢。一係就 base on turnover，一係就 on gross asset，即係 total asset 啦，或者係一個係 profit before tax 嘅。咁樣我就 prefer 咧，如果可以用 turnover 去計咧，就盡量都用 turnover 去計個 materiality 嘅。如果唔得咧，先用total asset。咁就盡量就唔好用呢個 profit before tax 咁樣。咁樣跟翻我哋個 sample 啦，我哋公司咧就有200萬嘅 sales 嘅頭先講。咁首先我哋就睇翻呢個 table 一個 range 啦。咁200萬 sales 係 fall into 第一個就係一個3% 咁樣。咁所以喺呢一度下邊咧，你又打翻3%。咁我 anticipate result 咧就係200萬。佢而個 materiality level 咧就係乘埋咁樣就係嘅啦。咁樣我哋呢間公司嘅 materiality 我哋就係6萬蚊嘅。咁咩係 initial assessment 咧？initial assessment 就係個客而家俾咗個 management account 俾我哋，咁咧就用佢嚟計個 materiality 啦。開始咁樣叫做一個 initial assessment。final assessment 就係我哋做完 audit 過晒 audit adjustment 之後咧，我哋就攞翻 audited figure 嚟計多次，睇下個 materiality 最後咧同我哋而家個差別大唔大咁樣。咁所以話再做翻多啲 audit work 咁樣。但係如果差唔多，通常都有佢咁樣嘅啦。所以呢度咁就我哋用咗 turnover 咧，我就唔使理 gross asset 呢一個 role 啦，亦都唔使理 profit loss 呢一啲 role 嘅。咁啊直接喺下邊呢度話個 initial materiality 就 set 咗做6萬蚊港幣。係啦，咁樣所以你記住咧，我哋呢度計咗 materiality 咧，咁就成間公司咧，我哋都用呢一個 materiality 噶啦。咁雖然話 audit standard 其實容許呢間公司唔同嘅 line item 用唔同 materiality 嘅，但係我就唔想搞到咁複雜啦，所以我哋就計咗 materiality，咁樣成間公司就都用呢個 materiality 啦。咁喺下面 Q Trivia 嗰度咧，頭先我就想即係個 Q Trivia 不如就 materiality 嘅1% 啦，即係1%咁樣夠使，咁6萬蚊1%就係600蚊咁樣啦。呢度咧要打返個 justification 咁樣嘅，即係話點解你要用 sales 去計咧？咁你咪打返話你公司係個 trading company，咁啊 sales 係most representative of its business significance 咁樣咯，打啲嘢落去咁樣咯。